So I want to show you how simple it is to use this asset. In my scene, I have two platforms, one over here and a black one over here. Now I like to create a ball that I like to attach the drag power script to. I'll just center this. I think I'll make it a little bigger. Now, two things you should note is that your main camera should be tagged with main camera, and any platforms that are in your game, any floors, should be tagged with something relevant. In my case, I'm just using water. Now with the ball, simply attach the script. And that should bring in your rigid body and your line renderer, which is required. There is a small amount of configuration to be done on the line renderer. First, you need to set your material. I'll just choose the default line for now. Your size must be 2. And I like to increase my width to about 3 or more. The first end of my line I like to make small, and then the other end larger. Then change the end cap vertex to about anything from 20 to 40. I'm going to go with 35. And that's all that's needed for the line renderer. Now the drag power script. Your ground layers. Select the layers that you've set for your ground layers. I chose water for my ground layers. Max distance. This is the max distance that you'll be pulling back on the meter before it cannot pull back anymore. I'm going to set mine to 5. Now the power that would be applied when you release the mouse, I'm going to go with 20. And now the start color and the end color of the drag meter. Usually green means you're good. I'm going to set my opacity to about 200 on both of them. My end color would be red and 200 for my opacity. Now your offset. This is how far and the angle that your camera would follow the ball. If you check this box to allow the camera to follow the ball. The smooth speed is the delay of which the camera will follow the ball. Everything looks good. Let's try our game. Didn't quite make it. Maybe I should add some more power. Or let's make my ball a little bit lighter. Notice I can only pull this back till this much. That's because my max distance is set to 5. Let's set it to 8. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.